Good morning, Year 1, and welcome to today's maths lesson. Today we are learning one more and one less than numbers to 50. So let's warm up our brains. Our first question is, what comes next? 13, 14, 15, 13, 14, 15, 16. Fantastic. Our next one, what comes next? 13, 12, 11. Is this going up or down a number line? Is it getting bigger or smaller? 13, 12, 11. It's getting smaller, isn't it? Because 13 is smaller than 11. 13 is bigger than 11. So what comes after 11? 13, 12, 11, 10. Fantastic. 19 is 1 more or less than 20. The number 19, is it more or less than 20? So if we have think of number 19, where does it sit on our number line or on our number square? It sits just before, doesn't it? So 19 is less than 20, because it's a smaller number. If I have 19 sweets, I have a less amount than if I had 20. 12 is 1 more or less than 13. 12, is it bigger or smaller than 13? It's smaller, so therefore it is also less. We've got 2 less numbers. Right, let's go on to today's learning. So, finding 1 more is like adding 1. Oh. Finding 1 more, is that like adding on 1? So if I have 6 and I add on 1 more, I go to 7. So that is 1 more, isn't it? So finding 1 more is just adding on 1. So it'd be the same as having 6 add 1 is the same as 1 more than 6. The answer is still 7. So here I have 3 10s and 2 1s. 3 10s and 2 1s. I will give you 1 more straw. 1 more than 32 is how many? So we have 32, we count on 1 more. 32, 30, 33, well done, because we moved our 1 over here, so we've got 3 10s and now 3 1s, which is 33. Well done. Now, finding 1 less, so our number's now getting smaller, is like subtracting 1, which is true, because if I had 4 and I took away 1, so 4 minus 1, I'd have 3, and if I had 1 less than 4, I'd still have 3. So it's exactly the same. So this time, he says, I have 3 10s and 2 1s like before. I will take 1 straw away. So beforehand we were going more, we were adding on. This time we are taking away. So I will take away 1 straw. 1 less than 32 is, take that away. How many have we got now? We had 32, we've done 1 less because we've taken 1 away. It's 10, 20, 30, 1. Fantastic. Okay, so what is 1 more? In here we've got 10 fish. And then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in total we've got 15 fish. What is 1 more than 15? So I'd like you to take 15, pop it in your head, have 1 more finger up. I'm going to count on. 15, 16. So 1 more than 15 is 16. So we added in our extra fish and we got to 16. Well done. Now, oh, we've got some spiders. How many spiders have we got? We've got 10, 20. Now, this isn't a complete 10, so we've got how many here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 10, 20, 9. 29 spiders. What is 1 more? So if we put another spider in, then we have there. What have we got now? So we had 29, we counted on 1 more, and now we've got 3 complete 10 frames, which makes what number? 30. Well done, we've got 30 spiders. Right, back to our fish. So how many fish have we got in total? We've got 10, 20, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 10, 28. Now, what is 1 less? Now, when it's 1 less, we're taking away. Our number is getting smaller. So we're going to take 1 of our fish away. So this one's gone. So now we've got one less than 28. So put 28 in your head and count backwards. 28, 27. Well done. So it'll be 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So one less than 28 is 27. Our next one. So we've got more spiders. Now this time we have got 10, 20, 30, 40. We've got 4 complete 10 frames, which makes 40. And now we want one less. So what's one less than 40? How am I going to do it? We're doing less, so we're taking away. So let's take one spider away. Bye-bye. So one less than 40 is how many have I got left? We've still got complete 10 frames. 3 now, so 10, 20, 30. And how many have I got here? Yeah, I've got 9 now rather than our complete 10 because we had 10 and we took one away. So 10, 20, 30, 9. So one less than 40 is 39. What have we got now? Right, let's build 23 and find one more. So we've got 10, 20, 3. Now, if I want to do one more, how am I going to show this with my 10 frame? What am I going to do? I'm going to add one on because when we had 23, it was there, and then I've added one on because we are adding on one more. So now how many have I got? 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got 24. One more than 23 is 24. Let's build 48, and then we're going to find one less. So we've got 10 sticks. Can you remember in here, this isn't just 1, it's 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 8. 8 individual cubes. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 8. Find one less. So what am I going to do? If I'm doing one less, what am I doing to my number? I'm taking it away. Well done. So I had 48, I've taken one away, so now I've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. So one less than 48 is 47. Right, Ewan, let's have a look at today's worksheet and see what we've got on there. Right, here is today's worksheet, year 1. Now our first one says, use counters or cubes to make each number. You don't have enough counters or cubes at home. So what I would like you to do instead is use your 10 frames, and using your 10 frame, can you draw one more than 21 and then come back to the video? Then I'd like you to stop and do 34, one more than 34, then one less than 41 and one less than 30. So these ones I want you to do on your 10 frames. And then once you've done all of those, come all the way back and we'll do this one together. Okay, question 2. Use different colours to show each number on the grid. So we're going to have to get different colours. So I'm going to start with colour yellow. And the first one that we've got to do in yellow, it says 1 less than 17. So to find 17, I'm going to go along. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And it's asked me for one less. So if it's less, I'm getting smaller. So I need to go down. So 1 less than 17 is 16. I'll colour that in. Our next one is asking us for 1 more than 26. More means I'm getting more stuff, so it's getting bigger. So I need to find 26. So I'm going to go along to 20, go down, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. And it's asked me to find one more. So if I jump along, one more, I get the number 27. Our next one says one more than 39. So how am I going to do this? I'm going to go and find 39. So 30 all the way along to 9. And it wants one more. So I need to go up the number line or the number square. And that gets me to 40. Now our last one says 1 less than 50. So I'm going to find 50, and now luckily it says 1 less because our number square is smaller than 50. So 1 less, just one single jump, is here. So I've got 1 less than 17 is 16, 1 more than 26 is 27, 1 more than 39 is 40, and 1 less than 50 is 49. Right, let's go up to here. Fill in the missing numbers. So what we've got here is a graph, and on it it's got all of our numbers. This side is our 1 less numbers, here is our main number, and here is our 1 more. So what we've got to do is get 31. Now what's 1 less than 31? 30. What's 1 more than 31? 31, 32. Well done. If you need to, you can use your number square to help you. So with this one here, what we've got is we've got the 1 less number, but we haven't got the main number or the 1 more. So if we know that the number we have is, and 1 less is 31, then we should be able to work out our normal. Let's go on to our number line down here. So 1 less is 30. So what number is less than 31? So it must be 32. Because if I have the number 32 and I take 1 away, it gives me 31, and that's what we've got. Now our next one is 1 more. What's 1 more than 32? 33. Well done, because you can see it on here. 32, 33. Now down here, all we've got is the more number. So if our 1 more number this time is 31, our main number has to be smaller. So if it's 31 is there, it must be the number 30, which means our 1 less number must be 29, because that comes just before. There we go. Now again here, our 1 less number is 47. So what's our main number going to be? Our 1 less number is 47, so we need to go up, which would be 48, which means our 1 more number will be 49. Now, all we've got here again is our 1 more number, so our 1 more number is 47, so let's rub that out, go here. So our 1 more is 47, so our normal number has to be smaller, which would be 46, which means our 1 less number is 45. That's quite tricky. If you need to use your number square and go over it a couple of times, that's fine. Now down here we've got question 4. My number has 4 tens. 1 more than my number would make it 10-digit change. Let me read that again. My number has 4 tens. If I add on 1 more, my number would make a 10-digit change, which that means that if I had 1 more, my numbers go from having small ones up to a 10. Down here we've got my number is 1 more than 45. Okay, let's work these out. So let's do the easiest one. My number is 1 more than 45. What's 1 more than 45? Let's find 45 on here. 45. 1 more than 45 is 46. Okay, my number has 4 tens. So 4 tens. 1 more than my number would make my 10-digit change. Okay, so how many do we have before we have to change it to a 10? We have a 9, don't we? Because if we have 9 straws, like my ones here, if I have 9 straws and then I add on 1 more, it automatically changes into a 10, doesn't it? Which means it wouldn't be any 1s anymore. It would make a 10 change. So her number would be a 50, would change to a 50, but it's not. At the moment it's 49. Right, who has a bigger number? 49 or 46? It's Whitney, because 49 is bigger than 46. So Whitney has the bigger number. That one was quite tricky to understand. I think we might have stolen that from Year 2. Okay, Year 1, that's your maths work done for today. Yeah, I hope you have a nice day, and I look forward to seeing you for more home learning soon. Bye.